Because it's almost nighttime, baby. I'm just trying to get some of the lightning over there. Oh my goodness. Here, watch out, baby. I'm gonna step back. Ooh.
Here you are, looking at light. And it's so big that
Oh
it's
goodness.
crazy.
Ah!
And that was so big that you almost freak out. Freak out.
I don't want
Freak out,
to
freak
know. Man. Shh. Holy cow!
Holy cow.
I wish I could zoom out further. Holy. So that's not quite the strip. That's actually towards Henderson. Oh, I don't know where to look. I don't know where to look. It's everywhere.
Yeah, then
Hey, careful.
and you can see it. I see it coming around. It's over there.
It's all over. Look, Sammy, look.
I can't see.
Oh my gosh! That was everywhere. Oh, that gave me shivers. That was insane. I've never seen anything like that before. I wish you could see everything.
It is everywhere. And you must look everywhere. Mama, it's all over our city of Las Vegas. And a helicopter is going by. And if it goes hit by lightning, it will go down and crash.
Oh, don't talk like that.
There's a box.
Yeah, that's from our neighbor's yard.
Can we go get it?
No, just leave it there.
The neighbor.
Oh,
Oh.
it's all over. You can't just look at one spot. It's
Yeah.
insane.
Let me look over there. I see dirt.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
that gave me the shiver. The lightning I saw.
holy cow, this is insane. I've never seen lightning like this before.
Yeah. Hey guys, do we hear that? The family